To place a call on hold using the Grandstream 2135 IP phone, use the dedicated hold key. When the call is placed on hold, the line key will be flashing and you will see the call appearance on display, signifying the call is on hold. To retrieve the call, simply press the flashing line key, and the call will be retrieved. Please note, a call placed on hold can only be retrieved from the phone which placed it on hold. If you would like to place a call on hold and retrieve it from other extensions, please utilize the park function.